Wow.
Kasi kateke nyo. Bale, ito ba?
Kasalanan bang nahulog sa'yo?
SM.
You say it's my first time.
It's my first. It's my first time going to SM, guys.
Ipakilala ito para prantang ito yung prinsipya.
Look at this. It looks so good, Mama. It looks so cool, Mama.
Yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah, pero bembuyong.
When you're up there already, the parking is very nice.
Yeah, I can video the view.
Yeah. Look.
Look, there's so many cars. First time going to SM.
Oh, first time.
Why is the water here, Mama?
It's not watery.
It's not water. It's
Shiny lang
It's
siya.
shiny because they cleaned it.
oh, I thought.
You
Oh,
know,
Ano
you cannot check the view there because it's really hot.
So can Papa just carry me?
No. Hindi kami gani alto si Papa.
Papa can carry me.
Mahulog sa'yo. Tumingin ka sa...
Mama, how about I just jump lang like this?
No?
So I can see properly. It's an impossible time.
Wow, yung pwede mo sa... Wow. Balil outfit niya. Sabi man si Martin entrance. Lagi ng tao. May message. Okay, ito. Parking set.
Again? Ano pa this again? Eh?
Parking set.
Parking sa Papa.
Magkwento ka na. Hindi, kasi slow parking.
Bye.
So cool, right?
Sky Plaza. Sky. Mommy, is this Sky
Here,
Plaza?
you want to look here? Give a video.
Mom, I'm scared of heights.
Look at that. Look. Look at the else.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Ang video.
Look at this. We're up here in SM.
Okay. Pwede yan.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, namin ko nambre ka to.
Opo, man hungry man iyo.
Uy, nambre sa amin ka to.
I'm stuck on the video.
Okay.
Why there's a car here?
They're selling it. It's BYD.
BYD. Mama, are you going to use the escalator?
Escalator.
But Mama, okay, bye.